Alright, so we've got our longboard, and we know that energy is being used when you're pushing off the ground. You gotta use energy to move your leg. The energy that you're using, to push off the ground, move your foot, is then transmitted, because remember, energy is not created or destroyed, it's just converted. So that energy is then goes into the wheels, they're spinning, and then the energy then from the wheels goes into the ground either as friction or it's lost as heat, also in the ground or in the air around you. So how can we capture some of that energy and then use it to convert or to generate energy? Capture the energy, use it to generate electricity. I'm looking at this spinning motion of the wheels right here, just rotational motion. It's pretty similar to if you think of like a wind turbine, right? So we've got our wind turbine, we've got the blades, they're being pushed by the wind. The blades spinning is then causing a rotor inside the turbine to spin, and that rotor is then spinning a generator, and the generator is used to produce electricity. So in the simplest terms, that's how it works, and that's essentially the same idea we're going to use here, except they're not being turned by the wind, obviously. They're being turned when you push the board. So we've got our trucks here. That's the wheels are connected to the trucks, if you don't know about boards. So the idea is, with all the models that I have shown here, that there would be a generator, a rotor, that turns a generator inside of the trucks. So, some of the models have like bigger, like fatter trucks here, because this one, I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty thin. But you have a little thicker piece of metal here, and that's going to capture some of the spinning motion from the wheels, then spin the rotor, spin the generator, and then convert it to electricity. And then we've got all this space underneath where we can put like battery packs, something to capture and store the energy.